Dante, one more. Look at me. Say it. 1, 2. Dante, you. Here we go. Daniel, come in. Daniel, come in.
I said you're going to smile.
Alright, we're gonna.
Dante!
They can cut. Okay. Gary, just, you can just put your hand right there. No.
You can cut it then.
Yeah, we're ready. Okay.
I'm always going to love you. And so, for your first communion, that's what it's all about with the church. Because what you learned today is that no matter what you do, God's always going to love you. And so even if you do bad things or good things or anything else, you may feel bad about it, but God will always love you no matter what you do. And so what He's done is all the people that are in the room here, they're all part of God's family, and we're all going to be watching out for you as you grow older. And so when you try to do bad things, we're going to be there to bust you. And if you do good things, we're going to be there to celebrate. So just know that everybody here in this room is all your big family, and that we all love you all the time, even when I have to put you in the timeout.
Yes.